As infrastructure agents become more intelligent, integrating automation, AI, machine learning, and observability, what new opportunities and risks do they introduce for maintaining uptime and preventing downtime across mission critical systems?
This is great. So AI, machine learning, these are the buzzwords that I think we hear ad nauseum a lot. So with AI and machine learning, it continues to help reduce risk, but it just can't totally eliminate them entirely. Reliable data, security, privacy, and robust infrastructures continue to be essential for handling high demands and recovering from varying issues. So human oversight still remains crucial even as AI enhances innovation and reliability. So with a good HADR solution, it can help businesses strengthen resilience, ensure continuity, and confidently manage their applications well into the future.